How to install Google Tag on Shopify. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their own online stores, in which Shopify has grown into one of the most popular solutions for merchants looking to sell products online, offering a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates. So now to create an account, just simply click the login button in here. After signing in, you will be directed on this page where it will show you in the left side panel some of the homepage, orders, products, customers, content, and many more. But to proceed installing the Google Tag Manager, just click the Add Apps button right here, and in this pop-up window, just simply scroll down until you find the Shopify App Store. By clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on the next tab, and from here, just simply go to the search bar and look for Google. But it will show you below already this Google and YouTube. But if you can't find it, you can simply use the search bar and simply click this one. And upon doing so, it will show you in here the overview, including the highlights of features that it offers, where you can connect your store merchant center to showcase your products accessed by Google. It is also free to install, so just click the install button below to proceed. And upon clicking on the install button, you will automatically be directed on this page. Then just click the install button once again. Upon doing so, it will automatically be directed you on the page where you can start navigating this Google and YouTube application here on Shopify. You can proceed by clicking Connect Google account to proceed, and in this pop-up window, just simply sign in your Google account. After simply choosing your Google account in here, you will be directed in this page where you can connect your Google merchant right here or even navigate to use your Google Analytics for. And now after successfully installing the Google application in here, you simply go to your Google Tag Manager. And from here under accounts, you can simply create account button by clicking this one. And after that, all you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information. So from here, let's start by adding the account name where you can click the settings button in here to start adding or start looking for a specific account name if you don't know what it is. But at this point, I'm just going to select or enter here the theme Astra. And after that, you could also select the country that you're in. Or you could also check the boxes indicating that you want to share data anonymously with Google and others. And after that, below here, you can simply copy here or paste your domain or URL like this one. When you try to click on it, it will show you that you can simply also buy a new domain if you want to. But since we're just trying to copy this domain and paste it in our Google Tag Manager on this page, we can simply start visiting our online store. So going back on this page and simply go to our homepage right here. Then click this eye icon to visit your online store. Upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on your online store in here and just simply copy the URL of it and paste it directly in this container setup or container name. So again, make sure to follow the requirement below here, which the name cannot start with this kind of symbol. And if you're now done, just simply choose the target platform. I'm going to choose web for use on desktop and click the create button to proceed. Upon clicking on it, it will show you on this right side panel the Google Tag Manager terms of service. So kindly check these boxes below and click the yes button on the top right to proceed. And upon doing so, you should be able to see here on the pop-up window some of the instruction on how you can start connecting on your Shopify the Google Tag Manager. But going back in here, you could also start connecting your Google Merchant Center account. However, as you can see in here, my account is now been associated with other or with another store in here. So I'm not be able to start connecting or linking my Google Tag Manager to this online store on Shopify in here. However, if you have only one Shopify store and start connecting it, it will show you that you have not successfully connect here. Well, the second way is to simply go to our Google Tag Manager, and in this pop-up window, we can simply copy the code below and paste it in our every page and website. For example, this one, as you can see, we should also paste this code in our head page. So kindly copy it and go to our online store in here and click the theme section. And upon clicking on it, you simply click the customize button below. And upon doing so, you will be directed in this editing mode on our website. And it start customizing or adding the CSS code. All you need to do is simply click the three dots on the left side panel in here. And after that, on this pop-up window, just simply click the edit code button, wherein you will automatically be directed on the page and it will show you in here all of the coding, and just click this theme.liquid and find this head section, and from here just simply paste the code that we just copy from Google Tag Manager, then click the save button to proceed. And upon doing so, you should also start refreshing your website in here to see the effect or changes upon entering or adding the Google Tag Manager link. But however, since we did not even exactly connect our Google account or our Google merchant, it will not be successfully completed or linked. So when you try to click or test your website in here by entering again our website URL on this page or copying again the URL and paste it directly in here, it will show you when you click this test button, it will show you that there is no connection or there is no detected of your website being connecting to this Google Tag Manager to your Shopify online store. But basically, once you try to connect your Google Merchant to your Shopify store and paste the code directly in here, it will automatically be saved and connect your Google Tag Manager to your Shopify in here. And overall, that is just basically how to install Google Tag on Shopify.